In this video, I will explain some of the best transition effects that you can use in your Adobe Premiere Pro projects. So here you can see that there are two clips. First one is image and the second one is actually a video. And what I'm going to do is that I'm going to add the transition effect between these two clips. So basically how you can do that is by going to the effects panel. So you can click on these arrows and then go to effects panel. Once you are here, you can search for the transitions, or you can directly go to the video transitions as well, this folder, and then there are different types of transitions, and there are several transitions, but I'm just gonna show you some of the transitions that most of the video editors use, professional video editors use. So basically this zoom, cross zoom is very popular, and you can just drag and drop it near the beginning of the clips. And then you can also edit or configure this particular transition as well. So right now you can see this is how the transition is happening. So the first particular object is zooming in, and then the second clip is zooming out. So that kind of effect is being applied using this cross zoom. So I'm just gonna delete this. Or you can also change the alignment as well. So basically alignment will decide at what point the effect will be started. So right now you can see that it is starting in the beginning of the second clip, but if you want to center it, you can use center at the cut, or you can also do end at cut as well. So if you do center at cut, you can see that this particular transition effect will be overlapped on top of two objects or the two clips. So I'm just going to delete this because I want to show you other transition effects as well. And other transition effects that I like are here in this dissolve and slide and wipe. Okay, so let us see what is there in the wipe. So I just applied the wipe effect to the video, and let us see how it is being shown. You can see that the first clip is getting wiped out. Okay, like this. This is how that effect is getting applied. And there is a slide effect as well. If you go here in the slide, so slide is similar to the wipe as well, but the only difference is that here the wiping is happening. In this case of slide, what happens is that the entire clip is slided. So let us see how it looks like. So you can see here. So the second clip, that video is being slided over that particular clip. Then there is this flip as well. So flip is also very popular effect. So let us see how it works. So you can see very nice effect is being shown here, and just have some play around with these effects: slide, wipe, and zoom. And another effect I like is in the dissolve as well. So you can also try this dip to black or cross dissolve as well, so which gives you really nice effect. So let us try this dip to black, and very cool looking effect will be shown. So you can see that the first clip is fading out and second clip is fading in. That's how it is being. That's it. So you can also download the templates. There are some transition templates as well, motion graphics templates, which you can import into the essential graphics and then use them as well, apart from these built-in transitions in the Adobe Premiere Pro. Thank you for watching.